Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will be talking about YouTube automation and how you can earn through it in 2022. Before starting, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. What is YouTube automation? The transformation of YouTube from a big collection of kitten and baby videos to the world's second largest search engine has created a plethora of opportunities for companies and creators. YouTube channels may provide their owners with a variety of perks, ranging from digital marketing campaigns to extra cash streams. However, YouTube automation is a more recent breakthrough that isn't as well known. The automated business model emphasizes on making viral videos that produce passive income for the channel's owner, rather than using videos expressly as a marketing strategy. Essentially, it's a form of outsourcing in which companies and individuals engage someone else to conceive video concepts, create videos, and optimize, upload, and distribute them. As more businesses look for new revenue streams as a result of the pandemic, producing and distributing high-quality video content is becoming more tempting and viable than ever before, especially when it can be outsourced. How to make money on YouTube. Your YouTube channel's earning potential may be unlocked by your audience, as it is for Instagram influencers or bloggers, but it is the construction of numerous revenue streams, such as side hustles or enterprises, that allows you to make money. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Ads will most likely be your first source of money. Joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is critical whether you want to make money on YouTube without making videos or as a content creator. You must agree to abide by all of YouTube's monetization regulations and reside in a nation or area that offers the YouTube Partner Program. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours in the past year, you can apply for monetization. What is YouTube Premium, and how does it work? YouTube Premium is a paid subscription service that allows users to watch and support their favorite video creators without being interrupted by advertisements. There are few changes for producers, since they will continue to be compensated for video consumed by non-members on YouTube, as well as content on YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium creators are compensated based on how many people watch their videos. Consider revenue from YouTube Premium subscribers as a supplement to the money you're already making from commercials. Number 2. Sell products or merchandise. You may generate money with your YouTube channel by selling a variety of things. Beyond cash, selling merch, t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, snapbacks, you name it has a benefit. Merchandise broadens your reach by bringing your online brand and personality into the real world, and it strengthens your bond with your fans by allowing them to buy into what you're doing. Roman Atwood, for example, sells a variety of items under the Smile More brand in his store. Number 3. Crowdfund your next creative project. Crowdfunding is a good approach to get an idea off the ground when money is the only thing standing in the way. If your idea is attractive enough, you can enlist the aid of your own audience and the crowdfunding community to help you acquire better equipment, hire actors, or cover other production costs. Kickstarter is a well-known crowdfunding platform that allows you to sponsor unique products and creative initiatives. Number 4. Let your audience support your work through fan funding. You can set up fan fundraising streams to solicit money from your audience, similar to how you can crowdfund a project. You're adding your voice to the internet as a creative without requiring your audience to pay for entrance. As a result, if you provide good material, your audience may be willing to support you on a regular basis. Many fan-finding platforms provide creators with a new opportunity for people to discover their work, as well as a tool to engage and reward their most devoted fans. YouTube Super Chat, channel memberships, Patreon, Tipeee, and Buy Me a Coffee are all popular fan financing alternatives. Number 6. Work with brands as an influencer. Brands are increasingly investing in influencer marketing and sponsorships, allocating a portion of their often substantial advertising expenditures to influencers who have previously earned the trust of their audiences. If you can strike the correct deals, this opens up a huge possibility for you as a creator. Number 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is the practice of earning a commission by advertising another company's product or service. You can work as a brand's affiliate marketer and include product placements, endorsements, and other sorts of content in your work. However, you must tell your audience about the relationships in your films. This is especially useful if you use your YouTube channel to review products. Because there is no risk on the brand's end, they only pay when they make sales. Getting started is usually simple. ClickBank and Amazon's affiliate network are two popular affiliate schemes. You can also contact brands in your field that have their own affiliate programs, which is rather prevalent in the e-commerce industry. This concludes today's video. What are your thoughts on our list? Please let us know what you think in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like us and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates.